Hi, I'm Veena and welcome to IF in Sindhi. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Sindhi dessert called Sago Ji Khirni or Sabudana Kheer. The unique thing about this dish is that it's very quick and easy to make. It can also be had both hot and cold. So in the monsoon and in the winter you have it hot. In the summer you have it nice and chilled. So let's see how we can make the kheer. I have here a pan which I have placed on the flame and I am now going to add half a liter of milk. So I am now going to allow the milk to come to boiling point, after which I will add the remaining ingredients. The milk has now come to a boil, as you can see. So I am just going to give it one stir, and now I am going to add half a teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi powder. After giving the elaichi powder a mix, I am now going to add 6 teaspoons of sugar. Again I give it a good mix. So I am now going to add the saffron, which I have soaked in a little milk for some time, and give it a nice mix. So let's take a look at the milk. It's thickened. We've been boiling it for about 10 minutes and now it's time to add the sago. So I'm going to gradually put the sago in. I had soaked these, as I said, for about an hour and strained them. And now we are going to allow this sago to cook for about 4 or 5 minutes. So sago has been boiling now for a few minutes and I'm going to show you the consistency of how it's going to look. So this kheer is not had very thick and lumpy. It has to be a little free flowing like this. So now it's time to serve. I'm going to serve this in this bowl. So I'm now going to garnish this kheer with chopped almonds or badam, and here now some chopped pistachios. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please like, share and subscribe to IF in Sindhi.